With hyperspectral imaging, you can identify species and genotypes of corals, look at stress levels in corals, and identify healthy versus unhealthy corals as part of this whole grand scheme of trying to restore damaged coral ecosystems. These operations will need to scale incredibly in order to make a real impact on the environment. And it's not going to be possible for individuals handling individual samples to restore the coral reefs. It's going to have to be a big industrial scale operation, and this is exactly the sort of thing that hyperspectral imagers can really help with. We've done a lot of work with geologists and the mining industry because a lot of minerals will have absorption features in the shortwave infrared, and we can use our shortwave infrared hyperspectral imagers to take pictures of either mined areas or natural scenes and identify the minerals present. Another very interesting thing that we've done with the hyperspectral imaging recently is we've been able to identify multiple different species of toxic cyanobacteria in ponds. And again, this is a way of solving a broader problem of the harmful algal blooms and quantifying them by remote sensing without having to send people into the field to sample the water.